Hello everyone and welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare Maggi Goreng. Goreng in Bahasa means to fry. Maggi Goreng is made by stir-frying veggies, meat or prawn and noodles in a wok. It is a popular street food in Malaysia and Singapore. To prepare Maggi Goreng, you'll need 1 medium-sized onion sliced, 2 tablespoons of garlic roughly chopped, a bunch of Bok Choy, 2 slices of fried tofu cut into small pieces, a handful of carrots sliced, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of chicken thinly sliced. You can add or remove any of the veggies or protein to your liking, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 packets of Maggi, and I'm using the curry flavor. If you're using the Maggi Masala, then add a pinch of salt and throw in some green chilies to spice it up. Take a bowl and add the tomato ketchup, chili sauce, soy sauce, 3 packets of Maggi seasoning, 2 to 3 teaspoons of water, mix it well and keep aside. In a pot, take some water and bring it to boil. Add the packets of Maggi noodles, cook them for a minute, drain and keep aside. In a wok, heat oil, add the garlic and fry till fragrant. Then add the onions and fry till they start turning light brown. Now add the chicken, salt and stir fry the chicken. Now add the carrots and cook for a minute. Crack the eggs in the center of the wok and scramble them. Then add the tofu, the pre-made seasoning paste and mix it well. Finally, toss in the bok choy, cooked Maggi and coat all the noodles with the sauce. Cook it for a minute and Maggi Goreng is ready to be served. If you enjoyed the video, then please like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends.